In this video, we will discuss the poetic devices and the rhyming scheme. Let's discuss the poetic devices. First, personification. Now, what is personification? When human qualities are given to any non-living thing, then it is personification poetic device. Here, the bleeding bark will heal is an example of personification. Next, imagery. Now, what is imagery? When a writer attempts to describe something so that it appeals to our sense of smell, sight, taste, touch or hearing, there imagery is used. Here, the line slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, is an example of imagery. Next poetic device, alliteration. When a consonant sound is repeated in a sentence, that is called as imagery. Here, the example of alliteration are bleeding bark, B sound is repeated, white and wet, here W sound is repeated. Next poetic device, repetition. Whenever a word is repeated in a sentence or in a stanza, then it is called as repetition. Here, pulled out is repeated. So, pulled out is the example of repetition. Metaphor. When we do indirect comparison without using like or as, then it is said to be metaphor. Here, leprous hide and bleeding bark are the examples of metaphor. In leprous hide, the uneven color of the surface of the trunk of a tree is compared to the skin of a person suffering from leprosy. Leprosy is a disease. Bleeding bark, the sap coming out of tree where it is cut is compared to the bleeding from the wound in a human's body. Now, rhyming scheme, children. In this poem, there is no rhyming scheme, and therefore it is said to be in free verse. There is no rhyme or rhythm.